Hello guys, in this video I will try just to explain more and more about day trading, because a lot of people think that, for example, the day trading is from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is not true. Okay, you can trade other times, and I will show it to you right now. So the first thing, most of the time knows like this. The market begins at 9:30 a.m. okay, and goes till 4 p.m. This is what we call the normal day trading. Okay, now, so you ask yourself, do you have other kind of trading that you can do, not in this time or era of time from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, there is from 4 a.m. okay, 4 a.m. in the morning, sometimes some kind of trading begin. This is called pre-market trading. Okay, and there is also after 4 p.m. there is until 8 p.m. okay, and this is after hours trading. After hours trading. Sorry for the handwriting. Now, most of the time, most of the traders, it means day traders, they are very active here. They are very active, especially at the beginning of the day, which is 9:30 nearly to 12 p.m. This is where the most actions happen, okay, in this area here. Now, there are other times like the pre-market and the after hours trading is most of the time for the news here and here in this area here. Now, news, when it comes, sometimes you know that there should be news, so you should be prepared. For example, earning news is, most of the time it is known because the company announced before, and it says, for example, let's say today, okay, which is Monday, August 20, okay, let's say we are in the morning and you know that there is like earning news after the market close. Now, from 4 p.m. the company should announce the news. Now, these active traders, most of them, if the stock is very known, we have a lot of analysts, we have a lot of gap ups, gap down, all the active traders, those day traders, they come after hours to check and to see the price, if they can buy and they can sell, because from 4 to 8 it is 4 hours. Now, Facebook, for example, last time it goes from $217, it goes to 160, I think 164 or 165, all this in few hours. Okay, so it is a big deal. From 217 to 164, this is a big deal. Now, all these active traders that are always in day trading, they come here after 4 and they see any opportunity to buy or to sell short. But understand that these people, most of the time, when they sell short, they cover back. It means before 8 p.m. It means they don't go and hold for the next day, which is, let's say, Tuesday. They don't. So understand that. Don't do this mistake. You go, for example, you buy, for example, you see that the news are good, the stock is beginning to go up, and you buy, and then you say to yourself, oh, let's let it be for tomorrow. This is not a day trade. This is a swing trade, or what we call short-term trading. So understand that day trading, you should buy and sell in order not to be trapped the next morning. Now, sometimes the earnings news are in the morning before the market close. Okay? So before, from 4 a.m. to 9:30, if the company gives a date, for example, it says at 7 o'clock we'll announce. So all the people will be waiting at 7 to do it. If they don't say, they just wait. They just wait and see when the news comes. Because when the news comes, at any time, the price will be changed too much. Because day traders will come and will wake up early. Okay? Now, sometimes the earnings come during the day. It means during the day trading from 9:30 to 4 p.m. Now, in this time when there is a news, you always see a very long candlestick that it is red. If it is shorting, you will find one which is very, very long. Or if it is good, you will see a very, very long candlestick that it is green. And you ask yourself sometimes, why I see this green candlestick which is very, very long? It's just because of the news. Because the company announced the news. And understand that earning news, for example, all the people know about it because there is a calendar. You just put any stock that you like. Okay? You put it on Google and you put earning news for any stock, or just put earning news calendar for stocks. You will get all the stocks day by day, because earning news, it's every day. Because we have about 24,000 stocks and mutual funds and ETFs. So stocks are companies that announce earnings news. So the earning news, it's each day, because the companies, we have a lot and they don't have the same earning. It's not the same day for all companies. Okay, that's why we have each day we have one. So if you are going to be specialized in day trading, you should know all this time, and you should be where the active thing is. Because when there is a lot of traders, there is a lot of volatility, and this where you can make a lot of money in the trade. Okay? Because most of the stocks, they don't go that much each day. So you should buy a lot. But sometimes you don't buy a lot of shares, but if the day is good, either you sell short or you go long, you can make a lot of money because of that. Okay? So thank you very much. Please, if you have questions about this, the day trading, it means times and how, and if you have questions, please ask in the comment section or send me a private message. Thank you very much.